So you're saying I can dodge bottle rockets?
Yo, why is that on fire? Owl ball!
Hey Gene, you want me to light it?
We gotta be the stupidest bunch of kids I know.
Finish this.
What do you think I'll do to my cell phone?
What, you blow it up?
Yeah.
Yo, do it.
I am. Watch out.
Close it on it. No, leave it open. Close it.
Oh! Where did it go? Oh, there it is. Yeah, I flipped it over. Still works.
Yo, it's
Is that the screen?
a champion.
Yo,
Yo, Bruce, make it
is that
teepee.
crack right there?
Yo,
I didn't do anything.
Yo, make it a teepee.
Don't suck so bad this time.
I can't see it.
Wait, move. Yo, why didn't you?
Ah, that's no good.
Close it on it. Wait, did your screen stop working?
Phone reset.
Alright, who wants to shoot Saturn missiles at me?
I'll do it.
Alright, let me give you the key details about this. I let these things out of my car with my hand on them. Once it starts getting hot, throw it into the fucking woods.
Yeah, it looks like he's just
Once
gonna angle
Joey
it.
says ow, turn it away from me. No, once I say ow, you just film
Steve, he's
harder.
probably not gonna stay there. Joey, you're gonna have to have a catch line before he lights it.
Alright, wait.
So you're saying I can dodge
Joey?
bottle rockets?
What the fuck am I holding a sword? Take this away from me.
Point it this way.
Yo, get a little closer.
Oh, a little bit to this way, the other way. To your left. There we go.
You ready, Joey?
Yes, sir. He's gonna suck ass. You guys better watch out. Oh wait! Look Yo, that shit fucking hurts, man. It hit me a couple times. Why? Why did you do the deck?
Yo, you didn't even swing the bat.
Try getting used to it.
Yeah.
Next time I probably should wear glasses. Close your eyes and just swing the bat. Bottle rockets are gonna be pretty hard to dodge.
Take both bats. And just go.
Oh, you want one for each hand? I'm not losing till I win the game.
Do they explode?
Yo, they hit like a bee. They hurt like a bee sting. I'll put it that way.
Oh, those aren't that bad.
No, it hurts more than bee
Ready,
sting.
Joey? Here it comes. 1, 2, and we're off.
You're not hitting me.
Aim lower.
You're not hitting me. See that one go backwards?
Joey, just don't hit them towards me.
I'll try not to. Hold the bat.
Yo, he dropped the bat.
I dropped one. Can't do it. Ow! That shit hurts. I can't do it.
You're not even trying.
Why are there so many in that one? Like, you might have Oh my god, you guys are fucking maniacs.
I don't know how to use it.
I did not anticipate them being so hard to hit. Yeah, shoot it at me, man.
Yo!
That hit my fucking tire.
That almost killed me. What are you aiming for?
I aimed straight ahead.
No, yo. It started falling out. The stick was just dangling down the ground.
Wait, give me another one.
You guys are wait, 1 second.
You guys light yours on.
You ready?
I'm gonna pull my sleeves up for this one.
Ready, Joey? Wait, don't start.
Shit. I'm ready.
Alright, here goes number one.
Give me the lighter.
Aiming at me. Would shoot it into the woods. Jesus.
Gotta put it in the thing.
Alright, where's Joey?
My sword taken away, neither my fireworks nor my beer.
What is that? Joey, what's that?
Yo!
God. That shit hit my face. It really hurt.
Yo, is there any damage to the face?
It hit my eyeballs.
See if you got a cigarette now.
Shit. This shit hit my eyeballs.